Hello everyone, today let us make a plum cake. For that we need 150 grams of butter, 40 grams vegetable oil, 150 grams maida, 150 grams powdered sugar, 50 grams of granulated sugar, 3 eggs, vanilla essence, all mixed spice powder, dry fruits, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So first we'll take a heavy bottom pan and add in granulated sugar and melt it until it turns brown to black in color. To this we'll add a splash of water and make it into a syrup and add it to the dry fruit mixture. Now we'll take butter in a bowl and add sugar powder and give it a mix and add the eggs one by one and give it a good mix. To this we'll add maida along with baking powder, all mixed spice powder, the dry fruit mixture and mix it evenly. I will add oil and vanilla essence and finally give it a good mix. And now take a baking tray lined with a parchment paper and transfer the mixture into this tray and place it into the oven. We'll bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for 1 hour and the plum cake will be ready. This is so spongy and so good. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.